Author's primary concern. This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about Ross's theory about a strange hole in the cow skull. The second paragraph talks about several questions about this theory and alternate explanations for the hole. And the third paragraph suggests that no theory can be confirmed, but the idea of ancient brain surgery is perplexing. So the author is primarily interested in exploring theories about a particular finding. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, presenting a conclusive theory about an ancient finding. Although the passage discusses various theories, the third paragraph mentions that there are slim chances of anyone ever finding a confirmation. So it is incorrect to state that the primary concern of the author is to present a conclusive theory. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, marveling at an ancient finding that is yet to be explained. Yes, the passage discusses the ancient finding of a hole in a cow skull, and the third paragraph mentions that the author is perplexed about having brain surgery in ancient times, but to show the sense of marvel is not the primary purpose of the passage. The passage's primary purpose is to discuss the theories behind why the hole existed. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, evaluating theories that explain an ancient finding. Yes, this is what the mind map implies, because the passage discusses the finding of a strange cow skull possessing a hole and explains Ross's theory and alternate explanations with respect to how the hole could have existed. So it is correct to state that the primary concern in the passage is the evaluation of theories that explain an ancient finding. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice D, detailing an ancient finding. The discussion related to the details of the finding are limited in scope and cannot be the primary concern in the passage. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, refuting a scientific theory about an ancient finding. The passage mentions several theories but passes no judgment on any particular theory. So it is incorrect to state that the primary concern is to refute a scientific theory about a finding. So this answer choice can be eliminated. C is the correct answer.